Solve this question. Find the positive integers a comma b such that a squared minus b squared is equal to 17. All right, let's put it down. A raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2 is equal to 17. First observation is that 17 is a prime number, and it is very easy to us that prime numbers have only two factors. Okay, prime numbers have only factors of 17 are 1 and the what? 17. Only 1 and 17 can divide 17 because 17 is a prime number. That it means that from this a raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2, I can actually express it as a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And you know what that means? It means difference of two squares in mathematics. So this is now still equal to 17, meaning that a squared minus b squared equal to 17 is the same as this, all right? Therefore, no, going by the fact that 17 has two factors, which is a 1 times 17 or 17 times 1. So I can simply write here that 1 multiplied by 17 is equal to 17. The logic is very correct. This implies that a minus b is equal to 1 and the a plus b is equal to 17. Very clear. Now, by this, I have simply established a simultaneous equation. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. I am going to add equation 1 and the 2. All right, a plus a will give me 2a. Minus b plus b will give me 0. And the 1 plus 17 is going to give me 18. This means that 2a is equal to 18, implies that the value of a is 18 divided by 2, and that is equal to 9. So when a is equal to 9, we can now substitute into any of the equations. And we agreed that a plus b is equal to 17. So I can simply write from equation 2 or equation 1, any of the two. So a plus b is given to me as 17. So anywhere I see a, I can replace it with a 9, then plus b is equal to 17, meaning that b now will be equal to 17 subtract 9, and that is going to be equal to 8. So that two positive integers that I am asked to find such that it will be logically correct to the equation are found. And what are they? They are a equal to 9, all right, and b equal to 8. Let's check. Remember, a squared minus b squared is equal to 17. So when a is 9 squared and b is 8 squared, 9 squared is 81, and the 8 squared is 64. So you have to find out if that will give us 17. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Please remember to follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tutor Cletus Okole. Bye for now.